Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium Box for October 2020. So let's begin. Okay, so every month when we get the box, we do have a card that tells us the theme of the box, which is Candy Shop. It tells us also when the next pop-up is, which is gonna be November 10. And it also has the products inside, the retail value, more about them, and also Instagram handles and hashtags on there. So, oh, and also the variation number. So this month I got variation number 78. 78 is my variation number. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so the first item in my box is this Murad Hydration Toner. And this product, let's see. This retails for $35. Okay. So it's a spray toner, which I like because you don't have to use a cotton pad. You just spray it on and it's there. Okay. The next item is this Air Accenture Lip Enhancer, which retails for $17. This is what it looks like. And if you can tell, it's this clear color. So, yeah, it doesn't have a color. It's very clear and glossy. Yeah, it's kind of like a lip oil, but it's not as oily. It's more of a glossy feel. Okay, the next item in the box is this Exfoliating Swipies. They're foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin by Go-To Skincare. And this retails for $35. We all need some magic swipey pad thingies. Okay, interesting marketing. But this is what it looks like. And these are the pads inside. Okay, let's see. It smells citrusy. Okay, and there's 50 of them and there are 50 pads. Okay. The next item I'm gonna pull out is this Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation. It's a face oil foundation, and this retails for $42. And this is a light coverage foundation, and this is one of the choice items, and this is what I chose. You could have chosen 2 blushes, or was it contour as well? I don't, yeah, something. There's like duos, Kosas duos that you could have chosen for your face. I chose this face oil foundation, and it is in the shade 2. So let's see what it looks like. So since it is a lightweight foundation, it's not full coverage. Even if you did choose a color that's not your exact face color, it should be fine because you can make it work. You know, mix it with other colors or something. Okay, let's see. Oh, so it twists open. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, so it's a very liquidy. Just poured a little bit. I don't see color, I just see oil. Let's see, let's shake it a little bit. Okay, there's the color. Okay, so I think you have to shake it. There it is. It's a lightweight foundation. So I would assume if you're using this as foundation, you might not have to put on any face moisturizer because that's a lot of oil. So I don't think this would work if you have oily skin, but if you have dry skin, I think this is great. Okay. The next product is this Laura Geller New York 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. Okay, this retails for $21. Let's see what color it is. It is in the shade Ruby Romance. Okay. Oh, okay. So, oh. It looks more red on my hand, but in the bottle it looks a little bit more coral, like it has some coral in there. A little bit. It still looks red though, but like a little bit more orange tint in there or something. It has a little bit of coral orange in there, tiny bit. Okay. Now we're down to the last product in the box, and it is this Iluminati eyeshadow palette, which was designed by Isabel Bedoya. Iluminati times Isa. Okay. And this retails for $48. Okay. Has this thing on it. Let's open it. Now let's cut it open. Okay. Okay. This is what it looks like. Let's open it. It has a mirror, so let me use this. Oops. Okay. This is what it looks like. Has this plastic on there. Okay. So this is very colorful. Wow. Has every color in there. Let's watch the shimmers, because that's my favorite part in a palette. Let's see. Oh, I like this color. Oh my. It's a little loose, but it kind of feels, I can see the pan now. Okay. I don't know about that one. It's a little loose. But it is a beautiful color. Let's see. It's a beautiful unicorn purple. It's Purple Dream. Okay. Let's see the other colors. Let's swatch those. Okay, they're a little patchy. Okay. Okay, so this one's a glitter, like, okay, let's try those two. The yellow and this glitter, okay. Yeah, that's definitely gonna need something to make sure the glitter stays in place. Glitter glue. Okay. Now, let's see what the mattes are like. Let's see. This blue, green, purple. Okay. So they're very light when you swatch them. You can barely tell they're there. Okay, interesting. Yeah. I don't know how I feel about the colors. I mean the consistency, but the colors are beautiful. Okay. Yeah. I mean, I guess you can try them on your eye. They might look different. But yeah, this one is my favorite, even though it's kind of falling apart. Gonna have to squish it back in there. Yeah, but it's a beautiful color. Okay, so that's the last item in the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also I'll be putting down a referral link down in the description if you'd like to use it to get your Boxycharm. So let me know, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.